What up, ladies and gents? Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm coming to you with a sweet edition, which is strange because I am not a dessert lady. I am 100% team savory, but I am about to show you a recipe that will blow your mind. We are gonna make brownies with chickpeas. Okay, stay with me, please. Don't go anywhere because this isn't just one of those weird vegan recipes. Although it's actually vegan, I didn't even think about that until now. It is a vegan dessert recipe, but it's freaking awesome. Okay, now let's get one thing straight. I am not someone that runs away from brownies to follow a certain diet. I will eat a brownie any day, every day, with no guilt. However, what if you can have that very same brownie with actually no ingredients that are bad for you? It's possible, and I'm about to show you. On all my videos, I'm very bad at following a very rigorous recipe, but I have made these before, and I have my notebook because there's no way that I would be able to think about this off the top of my head. So we're following instructions. Baking is a different language, one that I do not speak very well because it has a lot of rules. And I've never been very good at following the rules, and it just stresses me out. I have to say, I have a little bit of anxiety just because I'm making this recipe right now. You know, chemistry is the only class I ever failed in my life. So maybe this gives me PTSD from that. But I made this once before and I made a couple of tweaks. So today we're going to use almond flour. Last time I used all-purpose flour and they came out amazing. But I just want to try it out with almond flour just to make them even healthier. I looked online and there are different kinds of chickpea brownies made with oat flour, regular flour, coconut flour. So whatever flour you choose to use, make sure that you research what is the equivalent from the original recipe because different flours have different moisture absorption capacities or whatever. So today I'm using almond flour. All right. So I'll put the ingredient list down below. So we're going to start off with our more moist ingredients. So we have 1 cup of chickpeas out of the can, strained. You can use raw chickpeas for sure, but make sure to boil them very, very long because these need to be as soft as a chickpea can possibly get. If your canned chickpeas are not that soft, you can boil them with a little bit of baking soda. That will soften them up even more. Okay, now, notes. Peanut butter. We're gonna do half a cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna eyeball it, but this is like half a cup, okay? It's gonna be too big. Okay, there should be about half a cup. Peanut butter is truly one of my favorite things in life. It's up there. Next, half a cup of maple syrup. Okay? I got some of the good stuff, which is rare to find here in Kosovo. So this is a luxury. And half my bottle is gone. That half a cup was about €7, I think. This is imported stuff, you know? It's like liquid gold. Half a cup of plant milk. This is almond milk. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. And we're gonna give this the first blend before we add the dry ingredients. But check out the consistency. It's like smooth peanut butter. Like it feels, see? You can still dollop it. So now we're gonna add our flour. This is 1 cup, yes, 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of cacao. Absolutely make sure that you strain this through a mesh to get rid of all the little balls. What are they called? You grab the this and you go the this and you go the this. That's what I mean. Okay? Okay. Now it's going in. Half a cup. This should turn into a dough, more of a dough consistency. Oh, also your oven should be warming up already. Forgot to mention. So let's do that again. Salt, a pinch of salt, always. Okay, after running it again, this is the consistency you are looking for. Thick and juicy. You can also taste it. If you want it sweeter, just add some more maple syrup. Now we're gonna grease the plate you're gonna bake it in. Get some butter, some oil, your fat of choice. Okay, how can we make this process look pretty and glamorous? We can't. Nothing about me cooking will ever be glamorous. Okay, we'll put this aside to lick it off camera. All right, and in she goes. The baking time on these is quite low. I think it's about 20 minutes. Just took these out. You must absolutely let them cool before we do anything with them because they will just completely disintegrate right now. I let it cool and then I prepared the drizzle. So I basically just got a piece of chocolate in one bowl and then a spoon of peanut butter in the next bowl and melted them with a little bit of plant milk. And you can add any topping you want. There you have it. Probably the most delicious, healthy brownies you'll ever have. Now, time for a taste test. Look at that. Look at that piece of fudge. This is fudge right here. Huh? It's so insane. It's like, you truly won't believe it. Like, it makes no sense. It's like if you were eating a banana and it was purple and it tasted like banana, it looked like banana, but it smelled like grapes. It's just confusing. Extremely confusing because it's so good and it tastes like a fatty, fudgy chocolate brownie. I can promise this recipe works according to the measurements on the description. I'm not always to be trusted. You can trust me on this one. Absolutamente deliciosos. So please make them and let me know your reaction in the comments. I cannot wait to hear if they blew you away as much as me. Have a freaking awesome day. I got lots of cleaning to do. Ciao. Hasta luego. Oh, buen